Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's 3R New Investment Ideas. In this new podcast series, we bring you hand-picked stocks with untapped growth and opportunities right from our fundamental research team.
Hello everyone, I am Piyush Parag, Research Analyst at Sharekhan by BNP Paribas. We have initiated a new 3R stock idea on Ramkrishna Forging Limited with a buy rating and a price target of Rs 786 based on our 3R research philosophy. So let's discuss the key investment rationales of the idea one by one. The first R is why we like the sector, Indian forging industry. India's forging industry is a highly fragmented industry with a large players in the sectors having strong and credentials global footprints. Large forging companies in India enjoy strong market penetrations in manufacturing complex and critical components, aided by competitive cost advantage, process expertise, and high quality and innovations. Supported and encouraged by the Indian government through a series of various incentive schemes such as production-linked schemes, Make in India scheme, and Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, Indian forging players are well positioned to benefit from improving business outlook for the automobile industries. Companies having business exposures to North America and Europe are expected to recover strongly given a steady increase in the business and economic activities and faster rollout of the vaccination drive. Coming to the second R, why we like Ramkrishna Forgings within the forging industries. Ramkrishna Forging is a proxy play on a CV upcycle globally and in India. RKFL is one of the leading Indian forging companies with a strong clientele in India, US and Europe. We expect export revenues to grow strongly at 35.6 CAGR over FY21 to 23, aided by recovery in CV sales and new order wins. Further, driven by CV upcycles in the domestic business, we expect Ramkrishna Forging's earnings to grow robust at 137 CAGR over period FY21 to FY23, driven by 35% growth in exports, 27% growth in domestic revenue, and almost 140 bips rise in EBITDA margins from 17.8% in FY21 to 19.2% in FY23. Coming towards the last R, that is valuation, Ramkrishna Forging trades at significant discount to its historical average at a PE of 12.8 times and EV by EBITDA of 6.0 times on its FY23 estimates. We are expecting the CV upcycle in India to coincide with that of in North America and Europe, which will drive the overall earning growth of 137% CAGR during FY21 to FY23, with return ratios returning back to the peak levels of 18 to 20% in the medium term. The company is expected to generate strong operational cash flow of around 250 to 260 crores per annum over the next few years, which it will utilize to repay debt. As a result, we expect company's debt to equity ratios to come down to 1 time in FY23 from 1.3 times in FY21, with ROE improving to 14.9% in FY23 from 3.2% in FY21. Hence, we initiate coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a price target of Rs 786, valuing it the price by equity at 16 times FY23 earnings. Thank you.
Tune in again for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R New Investment Ideas. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.